Okay, students, let's start with the next unit, quadratic equations. So, students, last year in class 9th, we have done the quadratic polynomials. So, students, what are quadratic polynomials? The polynomials of degree 2. जिन polynomials की degree 2 होगी उन्हें हमने क्या बोला था? Quadratic polynomials. So, in this class, we deal with quadratic equations, means if we equate the quadratic polynomial with 0. So it means, so what is the quadratic polynomials? Any equation px is equal to 0, where what is px? Where px is a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Understand students? So अगर px आपका quadratic polynomial है तो जब हम इसको 0 से इक्वेट करेंगे तो जो इक्वेशन बनेगी that will be quadratic equation. Now the standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, students, let us take an example. For example, if I take 2x square minus 7x plus 3, what is this? This is a quadratic polynomial. Now, if we equate it with 0, this will become the quadratic equation. So, कहने का मतलब है, out of these three numbers, now this 2 cannot be 0. तो अगर 2 0 होगा तो क्या होगा बेटा? Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. तो ये क्या बन जाएगी? This will become the linear polynomial. तो मतलब है out of a, b and c, b और c चाहे 0 हो जाए, but a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Got it? So let's start with the exercise 4.1. Now, if you look at your book, check whether the following are the quadratic equations. तो आपको वहां पर इक्वेशन दी हुई है, आपने ये देखना है कि वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है कि नहीं. सो व्हाट टू डू? यू हैव टू सॉल्व देम, you have to simplify them, and if at the end you get the degree of the equation to be 2, so it means that is the quadratic equation. So let's see. Your first part is x plus 1 whole square equals to twice x minus 3. Now students, we have to simplify it. So let's see. A square, because we have to use the identity a plus b whole square. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1. We open the bracket, 2x minus 6. Now you shift these terms to left hand side. We know 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus 1. So when you shift these to this side, this will become minus 2x, minus become plus. We know when you shift the term of plus to other side of equation, this will become minus. So simplify it. This 2x plus cancel हो गया. We left with x square plus 6 plus 1 is 7. अब बताइए यहाँ पर डिग्री 2 है ना, so therefore this is a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. Similarly, students, you can have many equations over here. You have to just simplify them. Like if you take the second part, x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 times 3 minus x. Now open them. X square minus 2x minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus minus plus 2x. Got it? Now shift these down to this side. X square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Got it? So now what we have? X square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now student, this is what? This is a quadratic equation. So since it is a degree 2, so therefore this is a quadratic equation. Okay students? Beta, similarly you have to solve the equations, you have to simplify them, and then we can find out whether the equations are quadratic or not. So let us take one more example. If we take third part, x minus 2 times x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 times x plus 3. So same, you have to open it. So x into x square, x into 1, x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Similarly, simplify this side, x into x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now shift the terms to, now you have to simplify it first. X minus 2x is minus x minus 2. Here we have plus 2x minus 3. Now बच्चों, when you shift these terms to this side, so you will see that some of the values can be cancelled out. Like here, x square, is it plus? It is minus. We can cancel them. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Now tell me, is their degree is 2 or 1? Now here is degree is 1 only. So it means it is a linear equation, not the quadratic equation. But we have to find out that whether it is a quadratic or not. So my dear students, this is not a quadratic equation. Understand students? आपको ये देखना है सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद कि जस्ट लाइक यहाँ we left with degree 2, so it is quadratic. Here we left with degree 2, it is quadratic. But here the degree is 1, so therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay students? So this is, now you have to solve the rest of the parts. So now we continue with rest of the parts. The fourth part, again we take the part that is x minus 3. Question number 1, fourth part, x minus 3, 2x minus 1, so plus 1, and x times x plus 5. Exercise 4.1. Now continue with this. Open it. 2x into x, 2x square, 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 6x minus 3 into 1 minus 3 x square plus 5x. Okay, now shift the terms to this side. 2x square plus x minus 6 minus x square minus 5x equal to 0. Simple calculation, we have to simplify them only. So this one, this is x square, x minus 6x is minus 5x, and minus 5x is minus 10x, minus 3 equal to 0. Now here also its degree is 2, so therefore this is a quadratic equation. Similarly, fifth part, you have to solve it. 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Now we have to simplify it now. 2x into x, 2x square, minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x, minus x, plus 3. Because you have to multiply 2x with this as well as this. Then minus 1 with x, minus 1 with minus 3. X into x, x square, x into minus 1, minus x, plus 5x minus 5. Shift the terms to this side. This is minus 6 minus x is minus 7x plus 3. X square becomes minus x square. Minus x plus 5x क्या होता है? 4x. We shift to this side, it will become minus 4x. Minus 5 become plus 5. Okay? Now 2x square minus x square is x square. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. 3 plus 5 is 8. So here, so therefore this is also a quadratic equation. So similarly we can, students, in this way you can solve rest of the parts.